What if I told you that there was a trick so simple that anyone could do it, yet so powerful it would fool even the greatest of magicians? My name is Oscar Owen, and I'm going to teach you the easiest yet most deceiving card trick ever created. The magician borrows a shuffled deck of cards and fairly shows both their front and back. He then gives the spectator a completely free choice to choose any card that they like. In this case, the spectator has chosen the Queen of Clubs. The magician then picks up the spectator's card and holds it away from him. Without ever looking at the face of the card, he begins to rub it with his fingers, explaining that he can feel the ink on the front of the card, and this will let him know exactly what card the spectator has chosen. The magician continues to rub the card, and then suddenly stops, snaps his fingers, and tells the spectator that they have chosen the Queen of Clubs. The secret to this effect lies in your handling of the cards. Take the spectator's card and begin to rub it and slightly bend it with your fingers. After 5 seconds, hold the cards between your thumb and first 2 fingers. Notice, if you bend the card, you can get a very quick peek at its value. The spectator will never realize this if you perform the peek quickly and amongst you saying you're rubbing the card. To perform the trick, rub and slightly bend the card as you see in the performance, and then after a few seconds, bend the card properly to get your peek of their card. After that, continue to rub the card for a few more seconds, and then snap your fingers and reveal the name of their chosen card.